Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Dave. This is Quarter Flips. Today I'm going to talk about my giveaway for my upcoming 1,000 subscriber celebration for this channel. I am going to give away a couple of different things, but what we're talking about today is this. The Dischord 200 first 6/7 inch box set from Dischord Records. This was my copy. This is my extra copy. I'm going to give away my extra copy. Now, the way you're going to be able to win this, the way someone is going to be able to win this, is going to be a multi-step process. I apologize, but it's actually not that confusing. I have another YouTube channel called Nobody's Knows. Over on that channel, I post things like the audio versions of my podcast, music stuff from times past when I was doing excursion records, random things that wouldn't necessarily fit here or on Quarterbash because it's not about coins or treasure. On that channel, I recently did an unboxing video for this set. I unboxed this set of the records, so you can see everything that comes in this package over there on that video. In fact, I'll throw that up here so you can link to it. You're going to want to click this link because in order to win this, you're going to need to interact with that video. So here's how this is going to work. Go over to Nobody's Knows, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment on the unboxing video. Say hello, comment on the music, whatever you like. I don't care what the comment is, but on that unboxing video on Nobody's Knows, leave a comment. And be subscribed. And then in this video, this one that you're watching right now, leave a comment that says, I subscribed and left a comment. That's it. Just do it once. When I pass 1,000 subscribers on this channel, Quarter Flips, I will bring this video up and I will run a random comment picker. If I find your comment that says, I subscribed and left a comment, I will then go to Nobody's Knows, to the unboxing video, and I will see if you left a comment. If you left a comment, you win the box. It's that simple. Okay, quick clarification, because I was just watching the video replay back, and I don't know if it was absolutely clear. So here's how it's gonna work. Leave a comment on this video that says, I subscribed and left a comment. Then subscribe and leave a comment on the Nobody's Knows channel on the Dischord 200 unboxing video. I will use a random comment picker to select one comment from this video, one person's comment. I will then check to make sure that that one person left a comment over on the Dischord 200 video on Nobody's Knows. If that comment is there, that person, that one person, wins a copy of the Dischord 200 box set. Just want to make sure everything was totally clear. Okay, back to the video. After I've chosen a winner, I will give instructions on how we verify that you are the winner, and I'll get your mailing address, and I will send this to you. And honestly, I don't care where you are. With this one, I'll send it to you anywhere in the world. So if you're watching this video and you are subscribed, subscribe to Quarter Flips, subscribe to Nobody's Knows, leave the comments, and we'll see. See if you could win a Dischord 200 box set, unopened, the way they mailed it to me. And while you're at it, check out the videos on both channels. I spent a lot of time doing this. I have a lot of fun with it. Hopefully that comes through in the videos. And yeah, and then we'll move forward. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for getting involved in the contest if you are. And if not, that's fine. I understand. Some people just wouldn't want this beautiful, rare, awesome piece of Dischord Records history. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you when we get past 1,000.